Foppa is a company in the food industry and a reliable supplier to restaurants, hotels and retail. We deliver food primarily to customers in the Trentino South Tyrol region. Every day we strive for sustainability, cost efficiency and environmental awareness. For 12 years now, we have been calculating our carbon footprint and offsetting it completely. Back in 2009, we also installed a photovoltaic system and kept expanding it to a production capacity of 1 megawatt. The system produces the electricity for our cold storage facilities and the forklift fleet, which are especially energy intensive at night. Our task was to make optimal use of the electricity generated during daylight, including any surpluses, and to put it to further use, in order to cover evening demand and reduce costs at the same time. At Foppa, this task is handled by active load management. This intelligent technology controls the power draw of the chargers and adapts it to both the infrastructure and to the power limits defined in the energy contract. At the same time, the charging of the forklifts is synchronized with the available self-generated solar energy. Thanks to the vehicle fleet running on lithium-ion technology, the system works extremely cost-effectively. It also enables fast and, above all, flexible opportunity charging. With the help of active load management, we have raised the share of self-generated electricity during charging to around 90%, without any stationary energy storage. Together with our energy management system, the system regulates charging times and charging power, depending on the availability of the solar energy we generate. This way, we avoid waste and maximize self-consumption, using energy exactly when it's needed.